there! I just got this kids electric toothbrush on Amazon. Let me show you. This is the box that it arrives in. Here is the toothbrush itself. What a cute little design. You can see here, this has already been charged and it has up to 2 months of charging on it. So you get it fully charged and you can use it without charging it for another 2 months. Now, you also have a little stand that it comes with. You can see here, cute little flower design stand, and that makes it really nice to keep it clean. This is also the charging cable. So I'm going to show you it also comes with 2 different styles of brush head. Do you want to open that one? Okay. So I'll go ahead and show you the style that's in this one. Nice soft bristles. Now, of course, this entire toothbrush is a waterproof design. So you don't have to worry about this getting wet. You just slide it on here, press down, and then it's ready to go. There are 3 different cleaning modes. You have the sensitive, white, or clean. Click it again and it turns off. So this is going to help inspire your kids to brush their teeth more often because it has such a cute design. It's easy to use. So this is one brush head. And then let's see, she's going to show us the other one here. There you go. Just going to give it a little boost. There you go. We'll pull it out. Yay! So there you go. You see that one? You want to put that one on instead?
Yeah, this is soft.
Oh, it's really soft bristles. So let's put this on. Click it in there. And then I'm actually going to go ahead and have her brush her teeth. So I'm going to get this wet.
I want this one.
Oh, you want that one now? All right.
This is not nice.
Okay. So let's see here. Switching out the heads again. And I'm going to put some toothpaste on. I'll show you how easy and convenient this is for your kids to use. It's portable, and here we go. You just put it in your mouth and click the button one time. Nope, first put it in your mouth. Okay, there you go. And you can see her brushing her teeth. She's just doing such a good job, and it really helps with the hygiene of your kids. I got this on Amazon, and I highly recommend it.